Just look. All right, why is Citi at 63 when it's tangible books in the high 70s? What's that about?
It's not about closing deals on Zoom. It's about other things.
A lot of, what, concerns about the book?
Yeah,
I can't just shrug your shoulders. It's a major bank. Thank you.
Let's get the opening bell here and the CNBC real-time exchange. At the big board, it's Virtus ETF Solutions, celebrating the Virtus Real Asset Income ETF. At the Nasdaq, it's Cognex, maker of machine vision systems and sensors, celebrating its 40th anniversary. By the way, on the Fed, a July hike is no longer being fully priced in, Jim. Now it's September. And we did have, as we said earlier, 10-year below 142 is the lowest since the 9th of the month.
Well, here you go. Mortgage rate's going to go down again. Yep. Those who didn't buy a house will buy it. We had some core logic numbers that show that continual rise in the price of homes. There is a shortage of homes that continues. It tells me that you got to buy Lennar, you got to buy Toll. I mentioned this last night. Toll's got a tremendous limit. You know, Toll's up 47%, Dave, for the year.
I did not know that.
Isn't that interesting?
Yes, it is.
You have not yet today said to me, Jim, your investment club owns Boeing, and how do you feel?
How do you feel about the fact their investment club owns Boeing, Jim?
Not proud. I'm still up on it, but I do think that Boeing...
Are you still
there's a drumbeat of Boeing that have to change the CEO.
Why do you own the stock? Why can't you just sell it?
Because when China comes back online...
Oh, my God, I've been sitting here for 3 years listening to the same thing.
It's not 3 years.
2 years.
Just makes
it's only 2 years.
It's only 2.
Okay, 2 years is a while. I want to bring back the CFO, Greg Smith. He always told it as it was.
Be the CEO? What do you want him to come back as?
I don't care. I just like the guy. The guy would tell you, hey, listen, things are good. Things are not good. I like a guy who says things are not good when they're not good. How about that? Do you like a not good guy when things are not good?
Yes.
Well, then how about Steve Tusa? See his piece today?
He rarely sees good
Call
things.
me Ahab. He's after him again. He's now saying that, look at Flannery. He could have done this. If they'd let Flannery do this, he would have made a lot more money than Kolb.
Talking about the breakup of GE, of course. Interesting piece today in the Journal, by the way, about the success of the appliances division after its sale to China's Haier.
Right.
And the fact that actually they've added jobs in the United States.
I know.
Kind of surprising. And talking about how it could be seen as an endorsement of the strategy to split up the company with the focus, of course, of these various units.
Well, just another sign that it's like you always say with Apple, own it, don't trade it.
Yeah.
I mean, GE was constantly trading huge segments of its portfolio.
Look, I think that when we look back at what they sold, they got bad prices, and we look at what they bought, they got bad prices. So what is that? That's buy high, sell low. David, how much does that do for you? Is it good?
Well, the first time, all right, second time, but when you do it for the fifth time and the sixth time, it starts to hurt.
Share donor.
Yeah, when you're giving up cash flow and buying cash flows at too high multiples that don't produce what they were supposed to, and you got a lot of debt, it doesn't go well. And it didn't.
But Larry is
we're on the other side of that.
Larry. I mean, it's all first name with me today.
Tusa doesn't seem to agree.
Well, Steve Tusa, who is the axe, so to speak, at J.P. Morgan, does say that the unfunded pension, now he's got that one. Boy, he has something every day. Up his sleeve. I had the good fortune to be with David Blaine recently, the magician.
Again?
Yeah, I know. Oh no, he put a card right underneath the CEO's watch. Like, whoa. But I think David Blaine has like many cards up his sleeve. Tusa has got a whole deck of one-eyed jacks.